Picture this: a delicious, wholesome keto meal cooked to perfection in just one pan. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, welcome to the reality of one-pan keto wonders. First up, diving into a sizzling pan of mouth-watering chicken Alfredo. With succulent chicken, creamy cheese, and a sprinkle of Italian herbs, it's a dish that will make your taste buds dance and your waistline thank you. Next, we're exploring the world of seafood with our shrimp and broccoli stir-fry. Fresh, juicy shrimp combined with crunchy broccoli, all brought together with a tangy lemon garlic sauce. And for our vegetarian friends, we've got a delightful mushroom and spinach sauté. Earthy mushrooms, fresh spinach, and a hint of garlic, all sautéed to perfection. But what's the best part? Each of these meals requires just one pan. That's right, one pan, minimal cleanup, and maximum flavor. So say goodbye to a sink full of dirty dishes, and hello to simple, tasty, keto-friendly meals. Remember, cooking doesn't have to be complicated to be delicious. With one-pan keto wonders, we're making keto simple, fun, and utterly irresistible. Stay tuned for more one-pan keto wonders and keep on cooking. And before we sign off, don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed today's recipes, and be sure to share with your friends and family who could use a little keto inspiration. And already, hit subscribe so you never miss out on our one-pan wonders.